Bradley, dim trosedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr Sean Bradley at Noah Edwards, mae Darren Thomas efo fo, Edwards! Hyfryd! Trwy goesa a drwy Burns y cefnwr. Mae Caernarfon ar y blaen, Noah Edwards I gornel y rhwyd. Crowther, James, dyma Henry Jones, alla godi'r bel, heibio'r golwr o arbediad rhagorol. Campus gan Ramsey, o'r ergyd gan Henry Jones. Mi gafodd Jones afal ar hwnna. Ramsey. Cliriad anferthol unwaith eto. Disgyn I Noah Edwards! Golwr bron a'i gollwng I. Mi gafodd o afal ar hwnna. Burke, mi nath o'n dda. That's Kieran Smith. Ac yna Venables. Rwan ta o dan drwy'n y dyfarnwr, Kieran Smith a Leo Smith. Rwan ta mae gyn y dyfarnwr, Mr Bryn Markham Jones, benderfyniad I wneud y fan hyn. Coch i'r ddau ohonyn nhw. Felly Leo Smith a Kieran Smith. Dim penderfyniad arall I wneud gan Mr Bryn Markham Jones. Da ni ddim wedi cyrraedd yr egwyl. A mae'r naill dîm a'r llall I lawr I 10 dyn. Joe Williams. Breeze. Doedd o bach yn uchel o Breeze yn dal I fynd. Gwaith da gan Jamie Breeze. Breeze! Fymryn heibio'r postyn. Mi oedd Ashley Morris yn llonydd. Thomas. Mae Bradley ar ymyl y cwrt. Dyma Noah Edwards. Darren Thomas. Alla cael y greisiad I fewn. At yr ochr bellad. Breeze! Cyfle eiraid I Jamie Breeze. Venables. Burns. Burns yn mynnu'r bel, ond dyma Hayes yn troi. Hayes alla cael ei ergyd I fewn! Arbediad gwych gan y golwr Alex Ramsey. Mi nath Mike Hayes yn gampus I greu y cyfle am yr ergyd. Stuart Jones yn yna i'r bala. Burke. Venables. Rhys Roberts yn llithro. A mae'na gyfle fan hyn I Mike Hayes! Arbediad gwych unwaith eto gan Alex Ramsey. Mike Hayes. Ar cyfle yr arbediad gan Alex Ramsey. After losing 3 on the bounce, it was really important that you got something today.
Yeah, absolutely. And the key word there, Bryn, is something. And that's what I said to the lads. I didn't want to add any pressure onto them. But we needed something just to stop the Byron run. And, the talk about, us being in a rot and things like that, we can't realise that we're in the top 6 at the end of the day. And, there was many people that... made his favourites like to go down. So we've got to be realistic in what we've achieved so far this year. However, losing the 4 games on the bounce, the lads have been absolutely brilliant. The attitude in training, just the way they've been around each other, they're not down in the dumps, etc. And to be fair, why should they be? We're top 6. We're vying for that 4th place now. To maybe gain that home advantage like in the playoffs. And like you said, the 3 points tonight was vital. I would have taken 1 at the start of the night, but the 3's magic.
Same old story. If you don't defend properly, we've given them a free shot, and then you don't get your chances, and you lack quality in the final third, then you get punished in this league. They've hung on, they've put bodies on the line late on, and but it's not good enough by us. We've got to be better.
It was a good defensive performance by them, which restricted you, really. Yeah,
they played to their limits. I don't think not many of their team would get in ours, but it's not about individual players. It's about a team performance, and they're playing to the best of their capabilities. And fair play to them. They know how to win a game of football, and they've done it a couple of times against us. And our lads need to be better. In both areas and all over the pitch.
The gap now is 5 points to Caernarfon, but you've got 2 games in hand.
Yeah, it's a long way to go. There's a lot of games to play. So they were out on their feet towards the end. They were going down and stuff. Wasting time. They managed the game really, really well. But we give them something to hang on to. If we don't give goals change games. I keep saying on an interview week in week out. Goals change games, and they've stacked up in their own box. If they've got to chase it, then they try and chase it, and then we can pick them off if we're winning 1-0. But we have to be better in both areas. But the performance is not a bad performance. Do we deserve to lose the game? No, I don't think we do. But you can't make an excuse every week. I'm man enough to say that we're not good enough.